Hello students, so we are doing JEE Main 2025 questions, chemical bonding January shift. But before starting, follow ChemTide and Gaurav Roy. Sigma and pi bond present in Higgs 1 4 ion. So let's draw the structure first. Higgs means 6 carbon, 1 double bond, 4 ions 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 triple bond. That's it. Now put the hydrogen here. So we have a 3 hydrogen here. We have 4 bonds over here. We have a 2 more hydrogen, and here we have 1 hydrogen, and here we have 2 hydrogen. So let's count the sigma. All single bond is a sigma, and pi bonds are double bond contain 1 pi and triple bond contain 2 pi. So 1 pi and 2 pi. So total we have a 3 pi. Okay, 3 pi is given. Let's count sigma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So we have 13 sigma and 3 pi. Answer should be 3. The number of molecules that show linear geometry, okay, among the following. Linear geometry, let's see. SO2 is not, because one lone pair is present which can bend the structure. We have sp2 hybrid, non-linear. BeCl2, 2 valence electron can form the linear. So BeCl2, CO2 is also can be linear. All the valence electron is participating here. Azide ion is also linear, like this way, plus minus minus. So that is also can be answered. NO2 can't be, because nitrogen have 1 odd electron and rest is double bonded. तो जो bond को थोड़ा सा tilt कर देगा, तो linear नहीं है. F2O is again not, because oxygen having the 2 lone pair which can bend the structure. XeF2 is linear. It look like that way. sp3 D2 structure which is linear. NO2 positive is also linear. NO2 positive means we can remove this electron, so it become NO2 like this way. It is become linear. I3 minus is also linear, because I3 minus means here the iodine 1 central element. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balance, 1 more minus, 2 iodine and 3 bond pair, 3 lone pairs. So 3 plus 2 is become 5, sp3d, triangular bipyramidical. We can keep the lone pair on equatorial position. So first iodine, second iodine and the central iodine, linear. Ozone is a band shape. We have BeCl2, CO2, N3 minus, XeF2, NO2 positive, I3 minus. So total answer is 6 here. In the given structure, number of sp and sp2 hybridization atom we have to count. Okay, only the carbon, not the other element. This single bond is sp3. This is sp2. This is sp2. This is sp2. This is sp3. Okay, so let me mark it cross. This is sp. This is sp. This is sp2. This is sp2. This is sp. Okay, nitrogen is not participating. We are carbon only. So sp we have, this is number 1, this is number 2, and sp this is number 3. That's it. So we have 3 sp, and this is sp2 1, this is sp2, this is sp2 3, 4, and this is 5. So 5 is sp2. Answer should be 2. List 1 and 2. Molecule OV octet rule. Incomplete octet. Incomplete octet, it's BCl3, AlCl3 itself. Molecule with incomplete octet with odd electron is NO, so this is matching with 1. Molecule with expanded is a PCl5, so this can be 3. So C is matching with 1 and D is matching with the 3. So we got the answer 2, but let's cross check. The 1 is 4 and B is 2. So molecule OV octet, yes, both have the complete octet. This is 4 is right. B is second, incomplete octet, yes. So your answer should be 2. The sum of the sigma and pi bond in Higgs 1, 3 diene pi ion, 5 ion. Let's draw the structure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's balance with the hydrogen. Question 6. The first ionization energy of Pb is greater than Sn. This is true only, fact-based answer. And the first ionization energy of germanium is greater than silicon. This is wrong. So first is true, second is false, fact-based question. Question 7. Which of the following statements is true about the H2O, ammonia and CH4? Central atom of all the molecules is sp3, right? H2O has the 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair. Ammonia have 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair, and it has 4 bond pair. All are sp3. This is right only. HOH, NH and CH angle is 104, 10. Oh, this is the right one. So A and B both are right. So we have two options, A and B. Let's say C, the increasing order of dipole moment. Yes, oxygen is more polar, so it has the higher dipole. This is right. A, B, C is right. Okay, let's check it with the E first. The solution of ammonia in water is basic. In solution of ammonia and H2O, Laurie-Bronsted acid and base respectively. So E can't be right. This is the solution is basic, but ammonia is act as a base and H2O act as an acid. They have written reverse, so that can't be. So we have a ABC answer. Experiment will determine oxygen bond length in O3 is found to be the same. Yes, resonating structure take place. It's the same. So oxygen neither contain the sigma nor contain the pi. Resonating means the bond length is become same. And the bond length is greater than O double bond O and less than the O. Yes, this is the right one only. So statement 1 is right. The strong lone pair repulsion between oxygen atom is solely responsible for the fact that the bond length is ozone is smaller than the double bond but more than the single bond. Okay, so first is true but second is false because due to the resonance this is happening. The molecule having the square pyramidal geometry. Square pyramidal means this is one square and this is one pyramid, and this also, and one lone pair we can keep it here. So we have bond pair is 5 and lone pair is 1 and it's become 6. 6 means sp3d2. So let's see which molecule could have the sp3d2. PCl5 is sp3, so this can't be answer. PCl5 can't be answer. Antimony is also can't be. Let's check it with this. This can be possible. Bromine, total 7 electron. We got the 5 bond pair and 1 lone pair. So 5 plus 1, it's become 6. 6 means this only, so that can be. XeO-F4, total is 8 in outermost shell, 4 fluorine atom. And the oxygen is connected with this. Yes, this is also can be. Bond pair is 5 and lone pair is 1, matching with this. So that should be answer. Which of the following linear combination of atomic orbital will lead to the formation of molecular orbital in homonuclear diatomic molecule? Internuclear axis Z. So Z and X, different direction, no. S and PX, no, because Z is a main axis. XY, X and Y, no, different axis. S, P, Z can possible because S doesn't have any dimension and P, Z can combine and form the sigma. P, Z or X both have the different dimensions, different axes. Your answer should be D. So D only. Total number of molecular species follow, which should be the paramagnetic. For paramagnetic, we can check it. Oxygen 16 electron, it's para. This is 15 electron, it could be para. This has the 17 electron, it could be para. NO 7 plus 8, 15 electron para. So basically odd electron when we have it's paramagnetic, including the 10 electron and 16 electron. NO2 have here the one odd electron is left, it's become para. Carbon monoxide 6 plus 8, 14, it's di. Here the nickel Cl4, nickel have the plus 2, so nickel atomic number is 28 number, it's become argon 4s2 3d8, and plus 2 charge when we are happening, so 3d8, it has the unpaired electron because chlorine is a weak ligand, so it could be para. Cobalt plus 3, ammonia acts as a strong ligand. Cobalt number is 27, 4s2 3d7, and when you release the plus 3 means you can remove this 2 electron and 1 electron, it's become 4s0 and 3d6, so forcefully paired up, so it can't be para. Nickel CN4, here the CN nickel also have the 2 forcefully paired up, cyanide is a strong ligand, it's become di. So we have answered, total answer we have 6. O2, O2 plus, O2 minus, NO, NO2, and nickel Cl4, rest is di. So we have total answer 6. Arrange the following compound in increasing order of their dipole moment. Okay, so in dipole moment, based on the structure only we can identify. So basically a CHCl3 must have the highest. 3 chlorine is pulling electron from the carbon. Then we should have H2S. Sulfur is just like H2O. Then we should have the HBr. Then NF3. Electronegativity difference is not that great, so that is why it's falling apart. So that should be order. So we should have the question number 12. We should have answer of 2. The correct option and order of melting point of the pairs is, it's a fact-based question, so we have an answer of 2, that iron is higher than the Mn, lithium is higher than the Tc, and Re is higher than the osmium. So here we ended. तो यहाँ पे हमने ख़त्म कर रखा है केमिकल बॉन्डिंग के जनवरी और अप्रैल दोनों शिफ्ट को. फॉर मोर अपडेट्स डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो द ChemTide and Gaurav Roy. Thank you.